exercise at home in 10 minutes. Perform jumping jacks. Otherwise called the side ride bounce, this is a hopping exercise where you swing your arms and legs outwards. It is extraordinary for discharging endorphins. Hold a wall sit. This activity is performed by inclining toward a divider in a plunking down position. You ought to have two right edges, at your hips and at your knees. Otherwise called the Roman chair, this activity benefits your quadriceps muscles. Do push-ups. Officially known as press-ups, this is an activity where you lie on the floor with a straight back and raise your body here and there. It is extraordinary for profiting your shoulder and chest muscles. Execute abdominal crunches. Alluded to regularly as sit-ups, the crunch is the most well-known type of activity for expanding your abs. Do this one by lying on the floor with knees bowed and lifting up your back. Perform step-ups onto a chair. This includes the single total development of lifting one foot and calling it down out. It is incredible for keeping or creating lean legs. Increment the rise as you improve. Squats. Help through squats. Squat or sit with your knees bowed. This activity is extraordinary for having the ideal butt. Pull off triceps dips on a chair. Formerly known as seat plunges, start by situating your hands shoulder width separated on a seat. Put your feet as out of sight conceivable and bring down your body here and there off the floor. Keep your shoulders took care of. Plank. Alluded to as a front hold, float or stomach connect, this activity is extraordinary for your center muscles. Hold a push-up position, just applying your weight on the lower arms, elbows and toes. Keep up a straight back while doing the activity. Do high knee running in place. Run quickly on the spot, lifting your feet as high as possible. Running is uncommon for the ethereal stage when the 2 feet are noticeable all around simultaneously. This activity is extraordinary for conditioning your legs. Perform lunges. Position yourself forward with one foot in front, with knees bowed and the other foot back. Keep your feet level on the floor. Substitute feet designs. This activity is well known among competitors.